finally, naabot na dito sa Brussels, guys. After an hour train ride from Blankenberg, which is a town in Belgium. So today, isa po tayong solo traveler lost in the city of Brussels, Belgium. So I just dropped my stuff in the hostel just for today, and just a one-day tour in Brussels, and tomorrow I'll be leaving going to Amsterdam. Sumuraog kuyaw, but laban na gid ani kay laagan man ta. So after na ko na-drop akong mga gamit sa hostel, so I immediately started my journey sa akong first destination, and I passed through this majestic and beautiful Catholic church, which is Saint Michael's Church. I was able as well to go inside sa simbahan and say a little prayer. So this is it. Next stop kay ang Royal Gallery of St. Hubert. I'm not quite sure how will I pronounce it, but yeah. This is one of the touristy places as well in Brussels that I was able to visit. Fortunate enough to visit, so there's plenty of people. Next kaya Grand Place, Brussels. Isa gid ni siya, guys, sa pinaka-touristy place. And naningkamad gid yung taon ko ani og kuha og clip for myself kay wa man ko'y videographer. And went to Mondes Arts as well, if ako na sayo. Muna siya agianan as well, going to the Fine Arts Museum in Brussels. Hi! Naana sa takaran sa atong Inusara moment. So naata karon sa Atomium. This is located a bit far from the city center of Brussels. So it's like 8 stops from sa akong ginikanan nga station. It's quite a huge piece of architecture, a piece of building, but yeah, it's quite beautiful though. Just me, myself, and I. And all of the tourists around. Ang struggle bitaw, no? Kana bitang mo travel kay nga ikaw ros. Malibog ka, kamukhaon. Imbis ikaw na lang untay mo decide kung kamukhaon. Pero sa gigapon ka ay kamukhaon. Feeling mo ganahan mo i-try tanan because of your limited time. It's a struggle. Sorry. Ako nga klase nga traveler. Gusto kong kaon. Dili samok. Kaya nagdala man ko diri sa akong mga kamot mga tiil karon aning lugar. Pagdating pag sa kamot. Yago. Salamat sa pagtanaw. See you for my next one.